Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today, let's discuss a topic that generally results in extreme opinions. Can I get better returns from stocks instead of equity mutual funds? There seems to be two schools of thought here. Some people who say definitely it's possible to get more returns from stocks, and then some people would say picking stocks is very difficult, time consuming, you have to do this research, that research, and therefore equity mutual funds are better for most people, and so on. Both of these are opinions, and if you want an honest answer which is not opinionated, the honest answer is nobody knows, because nobody can know. That's the nature of the question itself. See, for example, if you ask me how have active mutual funds performed against the benchmark index in the past, I can do some analysis and tell you. If you ask me as a category how will active mutual funds do in the future, then one can make a reasonable guess saying, look, at one point some fund may do better, so at one point some other fund may do better. So as a category, more or less the performance would be the same in the future as it has been in the past. So that's a reasonable guess. But if you were to ask, take one fund, for example, let's say ICICI Blue Chip or Mirai Blue Chip or something like that, Mirai Large Cap or something like that, and ask me that has done well in the past, but will it also do well in the future? Will it be able to beat the benchmark in the future? Then the answer is I don't know, because you're asking for a particular portfolio. Fund manager can change, fund manager can do something wrong, something right, nobody knows. And this question is something like that, because you can pick a stock you can create a stock portfolio, in many ways. You can change that stock portfolio in many ways. You just can't quantify it. This is just like real estate. In real estate, there's only anecdotal evidence. They will say my uncle got 3x return, my auntie got 2x return in that area, this area, and so on. Those are all anecdotal evidence. They cannot be used for any kind of analysis. The same situation is with this. I mean, how can you quantify something that cannot be quantified, and how can you pass an opinion on something without any kind of data? There is absolutely no data, and just opinion. So the only way for you to find out is put your own money, spend time, and find out. And you have to set your own benchmarks. Maybe you don't even need benchmarks, because some people like the just the idea of holding a part of the company. They just like that concept. So the truthful answer to this is we don't know, and you have to find out what is suitable for you and decide. You can choose either. You can only be a direct equity person, or only be a mutual fund person, or any kind of mixture of the two. As long as you are happy, as long as you are satisfied, I mean, what somebody else thinks is of no relevance. Bye bye.